SAP is an enterprise resource planning (ERP) software that allows businesses to manage their operations and resources in a centralized system. SAP programming is used to customize the functionality of the SAP system to meet specific business requirements. In SAP programming, control statements are used to determine the flow of execution of a program. There are several types of control statements used in SAP programming, including 1. If statement. The if statement is used to test a condition and execute a block of code if the condition is true. For example, this code will check if the value of the variable LV_quantity is greater than 100. If it is, the message quantity is greater than 100 feet will be written to the output screen. 2. Case statement. The case statement is used to test a variable against multiple values and execute different blocks of code based on the value of the variable. For example, in this example, the value of the variable LV_status is checked against multiple values using the when clauses. If the value of LV_status is A, the message active will be written to the output screen. If the value is I, the message inactive will be written, and so on. The others clause is used as a catch-all for any values that are not covered by the when clauses. Do and while loops. Loops are used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a condition is met. The do and while loops are the two most common types of loops used in SAP programming. The do loop executes a block of code at least once, and then checks a condition to determine if the loop should continue. For X in this example, the loop will execute the ADD statement once, which increments the value of the variable LV_counter by 1. The if statement checks if LV_counter is greater than 10, and if it is, the loop is exited using the exit statement. The while loop checks a condition at the beginning of each iteration, and only executes the loop if the condition is true. For example, in this example, the loop will execute the write and ADD statements as long as the value of LV_counter is less than or equal to 10. For loop, the for loop is used to execute a block of code a specific number of times. For example, in this example, the loop will execute the write statement 10 times. These are some of the common control statements used in SAP programming. Understanding how to use these statements effectively can help you write efficient and effective programs in SAP.